Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is more detailed explanation of the top 5 hosting provider for anyone looking to choose the right one using the internet. One HostGator. HostGator is a well-known hosting provider with a strong reputation for user-friendly service. If you search online for review, you often find HostGator price praised for its reliable performance, easy step process, and a wide range of hosting options. It offers unlimited storage and bandwidth on many of its shared hosting plan, which is great for website with growing traffic. HostGator also provides a 45-day money-back guarantee, giving users time to test the service risk-free. Plus, they offer a free website migration service, which can be super handy for users switching for another host. A quick online search will show that HostGator consistently rank as solid choice for both beginner and more advanced users. To Bluehost, a favorite for WordPress website. Bluehost is one of the three hosting providers officially recommended by WordPress.org. If you are building a WordPress site, a simple search will show Bluehost as the top contender. Its plan include free domain registration for the first year and free SSL certificate, ensuring your website is secure from the start. Bluehost one-click WordPress installation make it super easy for beginners to get started. Users often comment Bluehost online for its 24 customer service and its intuitive dashboard, which simplify the process of managing a website. DreamHost is known for its focus on privacy and long-standing reputation for reliability. DreamHost offers unlimited traffic and storage, and it's one of the 5 hosts that provide free domain privacy protection. Your personal information online when you search for DreamHost review. UI often see users highlighting their 100% uptime guarantee, which means your website you should stay live all time. DreamHost also stand out with its 97-day money-back guarantee, one of the longest trial provided in the industry. It's perfect for users who want more the time to elevate their hosting provider before making a commit. Hostinger, if you look up budget-friendly hosting, I find Hostinger managed a lot. Hostinger is a go-to option for users who want to offer well plan without scoring performance, starting as at $1.99 per month. It's one of the cheapest web hosting providers available. Despite its low cost, Hostinger offers features like free SSL, weekly backup, and fast load time. It's ideal for small blog, personal website, or new users trying to get online without spending too much. Hostinger is often appreciated in online review for buying beginner friendly with a simple control panel and helpful customer support. 5 SiteGround for users who value customer support and performance. SiteGround often top the list online searching will show that SiteGround is highly regarded for its stellar customer service, offering 24 support via live chat, phone, or ticket. It's also great for WordPress hosting with optimized features like automated update, enhanced security, and built-in coaching for faster load time. SiteGround is a bit more extensive compared to other providers, but users online frequently point out that its speed, reliability, and Google Cloud infrastructure make it a worthwhile investment for more serious projects. Thank you for watching.